Hello, folks. It's Tomb Raider 582, and I'm back on Engage this January the 12th. Let's go on a journey through our solar system. And again, you can download this application to your Meta Quest 3 headset or the Quest 2. And you can start exploring and check out all the different experiences available in Engage, or any live events or future events that you wish to participate in. Just look at their schedule of events and register for those that are open to the public, so you can educate and learn yourself. Now we're going to do a solar system tour. Let's see. Start from the beginning.
Welcome, travelers, to the grand expanse of the cosmos. I am Opti, the keeper of celestial secrets, a humble owl who has soared among these stars for eons. Today, I shall be your guide on a journey through our wondrous solar system. Behold, the Milky Way, a vast ocean of stars and solar systems. Every bright speck you see is a sun, many with their own planets, each a world waiting to be discovered. But among these countless suns, one is especially dear to us. Here we are, traveler, before the heart of our solar system, the Sun. This mighty star is much more than just a bright light in the sky. It's a massive ball of gas, mostly made of something called hydrogen. Deep inside, a magical process is always happening. Inside the Sun, tiny particles called hydrogen atoms are crashing into each other at incredible speeds. When they smash together, they combine to form a new particle called helium, releasing a huge amount of energy. This process is called nuclear fusion. And that energy? It's what powers the sun and gives us light. Now, dear traveler, let us journey beyond the sun and meet its cosmic children, each planet unique in its wonder. We'll begin close to the sun, where the heat is most intense, and venture outward, where the cold depths of space await. Mercury, the closest planet to the sun, is a small, rocky world with extreme temperatures, blazing hot during the day and freezing cold at night. Venus, similar in size to Earth, is covered in thick clouds and has surface temperatures hotter than any other planet in the solar system. Earth, our home, is the only planet known to support life, with vast oceans, continents, and a breathable atmosphere that sustains plants and animals. Mars, the red planet, has a dry, dusty surface with giant volcanoes and valleys, and signs that water once flowed here. Jupiter, the largest planet, has swirling clouds and the Great Red Spot, a massive storm that has been active for centuries. Saturn is known for its stunning rings made of ice and rock, and it's the second largest planet in the solar system. Uranus is unique because it rotates on its side, with a cold, blue-green atmosphere and some of the coldest temperatures in space. Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun, has deep blue clouds and the strongest winds of any planet in the solar system. Now that we've been introduced to our cosmic neighbors, let's take a closer look at their differences. The planets closest to the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are called the rocky planets. These planets are made mostly of rock and metal, with solid surfaces that you could walk on, though some would be a bit too hot or cold for comfort. Beyond the rocky planets, we find the gas giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These planets are made mostly of gas and have no solid surface to stand on. They're enormous compared to the rocky planets, with thick atmospheres of hydrogen, helium, and other gases. With our understanding of the planets' differences, let's explore the vast distances between them. In space, the numbers are so large, we need a special unit of distance, called an astronomical unit, or AU for short. One astronomical unit is the distance from the Earth to the Sun. That's about 93 million miles, or 150 million kilometers. For example, Mercury is closer to the Sun, at about 0.4 AU, while Neptune is much farther out, at a whopping 30 AU. Imagine how far that is. To understand why the planets stay in their orbits, we need to talk about gravity and mass. Imagine space is like a giant, invisible fabric. Anything with mass, like the planets or the sun, weighs down on that fabric, bending and curving it. The more mass something has, the more it bends space. The sun is by far the most massive object in our solar system. So heavy, it makes up more than 99% of all the mass here. That means the sun's gravity is incredibly strong, pulling the planets toward it. As the planets move through space, they fall into these curves like marbles rolling around a bowl. That's what we call an orbit. The sun's gravity keeps the planets in their paths, preventing them from flying away. Without it, they'd drift off into space. And because the sun is so massive, its gravity reaches far, keeping even distant planets like Neptune in orbit. The closer a planet is to the sun, the more it feels the pull, and the faster it needs to move to stay balanced in its orbit. Let's see how well you remember the layout of the solar system. Your task is to place each planet in its correct position relative to the sun. You can place the planets in any order you like. Just make sure each one finds its proper spot.
Anyways, I'm gonna stop the video here. And this has been quite educational, very insightful. So once more, I'm on the Engage platform, okay, or application Engage. You can download it free of charge from, like I said, the Meta Quest App Store. This is all for now. Wishing everybody pleasant dreams and until next time.